Have you ever wondered how you turn this into this? Thermoforming is a versatile, reliable process that is used for many applications. For consumer goods, from consumer goods to automotive parts to medical parts. Thermoforming is a three-step process, such as heating the plastic, forming the plastic, and then trimming the part into a usable product. The first process in thermoforming is heating the plastic. The plastic used in thermoforming comes rolled up in big rolls that can average, the width can average from 25 inches wide. The average thickness of the plastic can vary from 10 thousandths of an inch to 60 thousandths of an inch. Transport chain systems are then used to pull the plastic through the machine. The chains have sharp teeth that pierce each ends of the plastic. The chains then drag the plastic through the machine in cycles. They stop and go to get to the first station, the second station, and the third station. There are various heating methods that can be used, such as radiant electric, gas infrared, and direct contact. Accurate temperature control is required for consistent quality for the parts. Depending on different types of plastic used, temperature can range from 250 degrees to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. Each thermoplastic polymer has a specific heating range on which it will soften. The second process of thermoforming is forming the plastic. The part is formed and then cooled using a separated buildup on the top and the bottom that clamp down onto the sheet. While the tool is clamped, there is vacuum pressure that is used to suck all the excess air out of the mold. Then high amounts of air pressure is used to blow air that defines the part. While the mold is clamped together with the plastic in between, there can be a plug assist. Also, a plug assist can also be used. Plug assist is mechanical that pre-stretches the plastic and pushes the plastic further into the mold. That also helps define the part. The material of a plug assist is usually has a low thermal conductivity as the tool opens the formed part. As the tool opens, the formed part will want to stick to the mold. Then, as the tool opens, there's air pressure that pulses through the vacuum, called blow-off. The third process is trimming the part. The plastic needs to a formed part. The third process is trimming the part. Plastic needs to be removed from the webbing. There are several options used for trimming, such as steel rule, forged and machined knives. Steel ruled knives are supplied in cut lengths and are bent and welded into shape. Forged knives are formed using steel strips which are bent and welded into shape. Machine knives are machined out of a block of steel, then hardened and sharpened. The match metal punch and die technique utilizes punch and die. The punch is the male part and is machined from a block of steel. The die is the female part of the punch and die set, which is also machined but is softer than the male, that is the male side of the punch. This concludes my speech.
Good job.